How do you start your day?
I start with coffee and light exercise.
What do you do in the evenings?
I relax with a book or TV.
What's your favorite weather?
I love sunny and warm weather.
Do you have a holiday tradition?
Yes, baking cookies is a tradition.
What's a typical weekend for you?
I hang out with friends or hike.
How do you stay motivated?
I stay motivated with small goals and rewards.
What's your favorite book genre?
I enjoy mystery novels.
Do you like spending time alone or with others?
I like both alone time and socializing.
What's something you can't live without?
I can't live without my smartphone.
What's your favorite time of day?
I love early mornings for their quiet.
Do you prefer sweet or savory snacks?
I prefer savory snacks.
What's a skill you want to improve?
I want to improve my cooking.
How do you manage stress?
I manage stress with exercise and mindfulness.
Where's your favorite place to eat out?
My favorite eat-out place is an Italian restaurant.
What's your rainy day activity?
I watch movies on rainy days.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate with a small party and cake.
Do you plan things or go with the flow?
I plan things but enjoy spontaneity too.
What's the most interesting place you've been?
Japan was the most interesting place I visited.
How do you relax after a long day?
I unwind by reading or listening to music.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like action and adventure movies.
Do you prefer mountains or the ocean?
I prefer the mountains.
What's something you want to learn?
I want to learn piano.
How do you stay organized?
I stay organized with a planner.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn for its cool weather and colors.
Do you prefer books or audiobooks?
I prefer audiobooks because they multitask.
What's the best meal you've had?
The best meal was Thanksgiving dinner.
How do you spend your holidays?
I spend holidays with family and friends.
What's a recent achievement you're proud of?
I'm proud of completing a marathon.
Do you have a favorite sport?
I follow soccer and my local team.
What's your favorite exercise?
Running is my favorite exercise.
How do you celebrate milestones?
I celebrate milestones with a treat or gathering.
What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Mexican cuisine.
Do you like concerts or events?
I enjoy live concerts and events.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate lava cake.
How do you spend your free time?
I read, watch TV, or explore new hobbies.
What's the best gift you've received?
The best gift was a photo album from friends.
Do you prefer movies or TV shows?
I prefer movies over TV shows.
What's a hobby you love?
I love painting and drawing.
How do you face challenges?
I handle challenges by breaking them down.
What's your favorite music?
I enjoy rock music.
Do you prefer teamwork or working alone?
I prefer working alone.
What's a goal you're working on?
I'm working on public speaking.
How do you start your mornings?
I start my mornings with a workout and breakfast.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite outdoor activity is hiking.
Do you have a favorite app?
I use a meditation app to relax.
What's a book or article you liked recently?
I recently enjoyed a personal development book.
How do you stay in touch with friends?
I stay in touch via social media and catch ups.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
I like exploring new places on weekends.
Do you prefer staying in or going out?
I prefer staying in on weekends.
What's something you wish you could do more?
I wish I could travel more.